Big shipment day. Watch our latest tracking system leave the warehouse.
Hello guys, this is Bill again. Today now I'm in the factory to loading the 5 containers today. Now this is already third one, we will see. And here is number 4, number 5. Our 5 containers arrived together. It is too hot today, reaching 38 degrees. But we are also near to loading container today. It's very hot, right? But you can see here, the front of our factory is the farm, so nice. Okay, let me introduce this project background. This customer from Philippines, and this project total 24 containers, HQ containers. Based on customer requirements, we ship it with 3 shipments. The first shipment is 10 containers, and the second containers is 8. So today is the last 5 containers we shipped. Okay, here is the GI grating with the wraps at the bottom. So this is the products we customer ordered. For the products at the bottom, we welded a wrap per 200 millimeters distance. So every rib we welded 6 point welded. So you can see it's very strong. It's very strong. And the surface, you can see there has many different size hole at the surface. And this design can meet the fire protection requirements of customers and protect their property from damage. Do you know why we didn't use a powder coating the surface finished? Do you know? Because we upgrade this design. We use the GI grating. The surface is galvanized. No matter the forklift or the pallet jacks at the surface, it can make sure the pallet jacks, the wheels at the surface, no matter how long time move on the surface, it can always very new and no other damage at the surface. If the powder coating, maybe sometimes 1 year or 2 years, okay, the surface powder coating will damage. So it has big effect for the knife. Okay, how can we guarantee after long transportation, customer can also receive the products very well? This is the secret. Let me show you. Okay, here is because we use the very strong steel belt to make it very strong. You can see here. And we use number 2 and number 3, and all the package very tight. You can see. And here we use the pallet leg to make sure save the package cost for you. So no matter your forklift, move it from the bottom or from the side, it's also both workable. Out of the package, we use the plastic film to cover our package to make sure make the products is new, no either dirty at the surface. So make sure customer can receive the products very good. Now here you can see we are loading the number 2 containers. This morning we loading 1 container, and this afternoon we loading 4 containers. Do you know what our colleague do this? Okay, this is interesting because we need to insert an airbag at the between and make sure when the traffic is bad, the driver maybe sometimes suddenly stopped or turn left, turn right. Okay, this side will easily turn like this and turn like this. So this airbag can stop this happen. So make sure you can see here. Make it very tight. So every package here, we have this package every time. Now we have finished this container loading. You can see we make the full space for the lungs, almost reach the container lungs limited. So it can customer save much freight cost for this one. Great job, great job. Okay, see you Manila Port.